Last week, most people were celebrating that Anathi will kill herself. But guys, Tulani managed to save her, and Luzuko finds the truth about Tulani and Anathi's secret. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Sory Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Qgebeha, the Empire, from the 10th to the 14th of July 2023 on Monday. Tulani saves Anathi and makes a hardest decision of his life. Zimkita's loneliness sent her down a desperate path. Nozuko learns the truth about Anathi and Tulani on Tuesday. Nozuko acquires damning evidence against a nemesis. Tulani swears he's going to let go of Anathi and his baby. Zimkita is left high and dry by an old flame on Wednesday. Zimkita is on the prowl to get Msimelelo back. Anathi's generosity might just be her demise on Thursday. Msimelelo and Zimkita reconnect while Funeka seems to grow suspicious. The chicken finally come home to roost for Tulani and Anathi on Friday. Luzuko makes Tulani and Anathi pay for their betrayal. Zimkita and Msimelelo are caught sneaking around. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.